another Peterbilt from, been sitting for like 12 years or whatever in this guy's field. But the guy who owned it took care of it. He parked it on a tarp, so no weeds or anything grew through it. The guy goes there, goes, oh, it's all old school mechanical injection and all that. Goes there, puts new batteries, a little bit of starting fluid, fucking starts right up. And then it just sounds amazing. And he goes, drives it, the J brake and everything. It's just a video, just him driving around. That sound is like, what's the sound?
Yeah, especially when they let off of the gas.
Yeah, the J brake.
Yeah.
Flip the switch and the J brake.
Open pipe.
Like, oh yeah.
I think if you took that end up, brought it along the road, and then you sat a little closer to the road, you could probably load it along.
I probably could.
We tried. I'll get a battery shirt if we do.
Do that.
I was kind of hoping my breeding conversion would be here this weekend, but it was not applicable to the schedule.
That bucket is
Still getting worked on.
the bucket you have on your loader.
I actually made that one after the stock bucket. It's all I get to. You know, open it up this way a little bit. Like,
Come on, do it. There you go. There's my 20 pounds of braking force. Move myself a little further away.
I was gonna say, yeah, I should have. Shouldn't be right there on the edge of it.
Should I pull myself?
Jeff, how you doing? Yes, sir. Too long. Well, we figured you'd be back eventually. Alrighty.
Yeah, battery's starting to go. Moving slower. Up.
You running LiPo or the nickel metal hydride?
This guy runs a LiPo battery. 5200 amp hour.
Oh, I just,
So my guy,
I'm used to my LiPos. I don't experience a slowdown, and I just.
well, I hear it in the pump.
Oh, okay.
I hear the slowdown in the pump. I mean, I can run the electronics. We'll keep
Okay.
going. It's just the pump will get slow.
Oh, okay. All right. Makes sense then. I was like, man, I don't notice a difference on this one. It just goes until my screamer pops, and then I know, hey, it's screaming at me. I need to pull that battery.
Slowly but surely, I'm making headway on this.
One scoop at a time. Yeah, it is. Yep.
Yeah.
I was just thinking.
Alright, you're as good as I can get you.
It's like, why is my truck not moving? Oh wait. Yeah, I probably need to throw a streamer in these because I don't know anything anymore on them. I don't know if the ESC is designed to stop on them. Some are, some aren't.
Right. Well, there should be a set of jumper pins that you can set in there for ESC LiPo protection or not. But if you don't have the book, you know, how do you know which one does what, right?
It's so wet. It's starting to
Well,
stick
the
to
cat,
bucket.
yeah, the cat I definitely don't know.
You would think coming
How long
from
does
him-
yours run? Your cat.
I have no idea.
Who's that?
That would be me.
He's the other one with the streamers, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. The rest of us just stop working.
I just notice mine when it just gets slower. I go, yeah, it's time to swap batteries.
Well, that's the last meet that we had.
Do you want to find anywhere different?
I only had one battery.
Dump it
I only
there.
had to charge it once.
Yeah, no, my dump trick is on an iCAD or nickel metal or whatever. It lasts fucking forever.
Not much to be dry and go
No.
in the car.
Because funny enough, you don't actually drive it and use it very much. You drive it, dump it, drive it, wait for it to get loaded.
Yep.
Well, I may have to do something I don't like to do if I brought it with me. I did bring it. See if it's got charge in it or not. I don't like video with this thing looking like this. 10-9, nope, that's not cut off.
Need a shorty?
I may, I have one other option. I don't like running this one either, but we might do with it if it's got juice.
Yeah, that's the battery I run in. That's the battery that I'm running here.
11 oh? Yeah, that's good enough. Maybe I might want to be charged by the time this one dies.
I have the truck backed up a bit.
I'm gonna have to do this one the way I don't like to.
Uh-oh.
Just because it won't fit.
Yeah, that battery is meant for this guy.
Yeah. Well, that's what I got it for. I have the 4200. Well, I had. And I got this battery for that, but
I have two of these batteries.
I bring it just for shits and giggles.
Start is so wet.
The deeper you go, the more wet it is.
But funny enough, it becomes easier to dig.
I pronounce you loaded, sir. I'm not going to clean up my mess.
All right.
I got this stuff over here I dumped right in the road to just get rid of it.
I gotta lock your dip.
This one don't have locking dips. It's open. Open dip system.
So impressive. I love this. Okay, one more scoop here.
I promise I'm not going to clean up my mess as soon as I at least give them to you and you install them yourself.